Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import products on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel and I'm logged into my account. So the first thing that you need to do guys after being here in the panel is go right here to the left side of your screen and go ahead and click on products. Once you click on products, you're going to be right here in this menu. So as you can see guys, we're going to find this message. First up, what are you selling? Before you open your store, first you need some products. So you're going to find here three options: find products to sell, import products, and lastly add your products. So what we're gonna go for is import products. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're gonna find this message, download a sample CSV template to see an example of the formats required. From here, you can click on add file and then add the file of your product. And here you can check to overwrite any current products that have the same handle. Existing value will be used for any missing columns. You can click on learn more to see some informations about this option. And here, if you need some help, you can click on need help to contact them. And right here, you can publish new products to all sales channels. For example, if we click on download a sample CSV template, it will be downloaded on your PC. So now we're going to click on add file, go to downloads, and double click on the sample. And as you can see, guys, now it's added. Once you finish adding your products, go ahead and click on upload and preview. And as you can see, guys, from here, you can preview your product informations. As you can see, guys, there is all of the infos of the products. Once you check, go ahead and click on import products. And as you can see, guys, now it's the products are importing. And now you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.